Hello, good afternoon to you all. Today in this video, I'll show you how you can download NGL app so that anyone can message you and how to actually use this and how to check inbox messages and everything. I'll show you how to sign up for this NGL account. I'll show you in this tutorial. Open your Play Store and on the Play Store, you can just search as NGL. See NGL. It is already installed on my app. For you, it will be option something like install. You need to click on that, and once it gets downloaded and installed, you will get this option like open. Tap on open, and this is the home screen. What you will see, you need to click on get started, and there are two options. You can use it with Instagram or Facebook. If it is Instagram, there is a link. You need to copy that link on the Instagram story. When you post Instagram story, you can post the link over there. I'll do another video tutorial that how you can use this NGL link on Instagram story. I'll post it on the description. You can click on description and see. For now, I'll Instagram, and you can choose a username, anything of your choice, and click on continue. And you can keep a profile picture image by if you click on this plus symbol, your phone file manager gets open. If you have photo, you can keep it there. For now, I'm just keeping this. Yeah, see here, this is where you can copy the link is copied, and you can paste this link on your Instagram story. I'll do another video on that. And if anyone messages you there using that link, if anyone texts you, you can be able to see here, just beside display at top, there is an option called inbox here. So inbox, there will be message in this box. And yeah, so if someone messages you, you can be able to see here. I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.